So what you can see here is me changing through and transitioning from different scenes, but I'm not doing it on the switcher. I'm using my X keys controller. So I'll just select caller 3 there, click a slide, do a cut back. We've got a stinger set up as well. So you can do lots of things with your controller if you wish to use one in your QuickLink production. Before you set up the controller itself, what you'll need to do is have your hotkeys set up in the switcher. So if you open up the settings by clicking on the cog icon, there is a video and an article for this on the knowledge base already, but I'm just going to give you a quick look at what I've got set up so you can see that very quickly. So once the settings window loads up, head over to hotkeys and you can see the ones that I've got set up already. So I've got recording, transitions, and then I've got all of my scenes set up as well on a hotkey. So that means if I press these, so if I press Shift 1, it will go over to my starting scene here. Now what I need to do is get that loaded into my controller. So first of all, once you've plugged in your controller and the drivers are loaded, you'll need to head over to the Xkeys website and then onto the PI engineering section. Here you can download Macroworks version 3.1. You see the installer is here. So if I just click that and save that. So once that is installed, I can then load up the application itself and it should pick up your controller straight away. You'll see I've got my XKE124T bar here. Now, any of these ones that have got blue ticks, something that I've got loaded. So if I double click on this, I can see what I've got loaded here. Now, if I want to get rid of that, I basically select the macro event, then delete selected. I'm going to click save. And then to make sure that that has loaded to the device, you come out of the application and then it will say, do you want to write this to the device? So click write to device. That will then write to the memory on your controller. Once that's done, you can load the software back up again. And you see I now have a blank button, so that's ready to program. If I double click that, and then if I click Shift 1, so that's to go to my first scene, click save, and then same again. So I need to come out of the application and write that to the device to load it to it. And once again, we'll just have to wait for the memory to be stored. And then I'll open up the application back again. There you go. You can see I've got a blue tick now. So that one is saved in there. I can go back to my switcher. And I can now, with that button, we go to starting on number 1 and then transition back to that one. There we go. I have now very quickly and easily utilized my Xkeys controller within my QuickLink production. Thank you for watching. You can access other instruction videos on our YouTube channel or by navigating to support.quicklink.tv.